refresh with parts of a circle, right? So obviously we have the point in the middle, that's the center. Right, we know radius, diameter, we spent a lot of time with those. But the other one we're really going to worry about in this section is a chord. So remember, a chord is, so like we have a line technically, but the chord is the segment that's like where its endpoints are on the circle. So like this part here would be the chord.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm going to teach you. You just got to give me a few minutes.
I thought it was just like a data storage thing from your mind.
No. All right, and so we technically have a theorem in this section. Okay. So if a radius is perpendicular to a chord of a circle, then it bisects the chord. So what does perpendicular mean?
Up and down. Up and down.
Like this.
Up and down.
What does that mean, though?
Parallel. And 4 right angles.
Oh, okay. Yes, it forms a right angle.
That's what I said.
Okay. All right, so, shh. Guys, chill. All right, so, yes, if a radius, so remember, shh, guys. All right, so remember, radius goes from the center to a point on the circle. So if this particular radius goes from here to here, if it is perpendicular, that means that it bisects that chord. So what does bisect mean?
Interferes with or something.
Intersect in the middle.
Right, so it splits it into 2 equal parts. So that means this part of the chord would be congruent to this part. So again, like, so from here to here is going to be congruent from here to here. And that only happens when the radius forms a right angle with that chord. So when the green line and the yellow line form a right angle, it splits that into 2 equal pieces.
Are we doing the circle drawing thing in this?
I already answered that today.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
Huh? She said sometimes, not today.
I didn't mean today.
Huh? I didn't even.
You both say
Need to remember, which I'm pretty sure you guys do, is that all the radii in a circle are going to be congruent. So like this green line, if I were to draw another radius, like over here, they're still going to be the same length.
Yeah.
Right, they will be the same length no matter where you draw it in the circle. Okay?
Are we done?
That's really all the notes we need to get through this assignment.
So how do you spell radii? Is radii like R-A-D-I, R-A-D-I?
A lot of notes in geometry anymore.
I know, because they're just short. It is page 346. No, 47, sorry. All right, so 1 through 3, and then on the next page, we're going to do 10 through 14.
Okay, that's not so bad.
Did you say something about 1 through 3?
Yeah? Okay, so go ahead and work on that.